This pharmacist from Georgia, the true origins of the secret formula of Coca-Cola. Some Indian nationals proudly maintain it was invented.
Take a little of my heart again, so we can be forever. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Thanks for coming. Our doors is time. Those doors.
We are here in the Taste It station, and literally you can taste all of the flavors of Coca-Cola in just one glass. Disposable. We have here all the flavors of the world. Indonesia, Aquarius by Spain, Powerade by North America. Oh, here's the Royal that we have in the Philippines. Germany, Madagascar, Thailand, in the Sprite, North America, which we also have it in the Philippines. We have here other flavors: Tea, Fanta, High C, Minute Maid, Bar, Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, Sprite, and Econ. Let me try the Fanta of China. Blackberry of Zimbabwe. All the flavors in the world of Coca-Cola is in here.